wo yen Western News na denende ye be call oya Joseph Andochwo ebiem na fi ye na atwetwe enkomo jo otende I hope they be fine.
Yeah, prof. Nyankopon adaruma be fine. I hope there also ahonde no okaka.
Ahonde no ba
Shene no kwesi enyuma.
Ahonde mo oye
papa back door.
Yeah, then na me fu home kakra na unde Merk no no Mrs. Sam Merk na kakra unde betan Carnation Merk.
Okay.
And mkoto me yebi na mkape mu asa mkoto Merk me pala mobodin because radio ni tano. And mete miti sana no na menje. Na ho mi so ama ti na me no na pa no na chefo de meti no. If you mean mato, and you know, so that what my son wants wanted to their fun and nature for another or into I didn't know.
How will you for one
day the years are all on the cry nature over 10 years. Was it such a mood and naturally fun nature for one more women or a ornament?
Go find I don't know if you're now you want to.
None Mike ni ma metre Joe okay yeah msidam ana azana corner okay yeah Joe mensa no mo akwa babiem yeah bibia fine
yeah about that ma bibia fine
yeah but that's an able call captain and some little crown but then see said the lake wa about the leg no wa cancer leg you know Kona Ash good have another walk or Africa I don't know I'm a mark there Africa can put them in Gini there Kona Ash good in and put it where fit see how what mark and walk Africa if you are born away about Black Stars Kotoko captain Kotoko Nina kakra ya dwe na issue
yo prof ana pemeda wase ya bedi yentim nkere yenche yenwanu bia wote issue nti ndana pe yebechia Mohammed MD car rent house ana pe so wasana ya na ade machine or be from masa enyemo baby o onye bete dem yankopon e de na se na yebeda MD car rent house ase wa enyama papa oda e de na ode gu queen jam ka chode ndika so nsa no kono ho every day yeah mko MD wo every day every day we o hye enyama ne car park wana wa set machines no awe hie bibia no ebe munkan dada the sanitizers na din na e clean mu kama kama oja
nanka sound o agent mo di no
ni by one can so no twa ja and be so incha yam brother set yeah Chinese fast food ima so chill
me jendo and that 3 days na me ne ka say that master to me
nipa be 4-5 bi nyu kwa chapel na sabi hu de wo member na telugu no kon na origin frama how ye sofo no what telling tim ye de no ngu kon na nke de origin frama na wa kokoda do ndam sweet de origin frama e mo macha because our a leader of that person our ejine nanyim ye de na ekasa it at the moment na ebe ye do ono no e mo macha na wenyim nyam kofom wo na side yo mpacho mo kan ta say ya wenyim nyam kofom wo na side it's anytime bia no oida wo wenyim nyam no o hata ne de no inyansem ama se echine bi eligine bebi na aide na akasama wetie na supreme lord aide na oda yeduma ewa it's at the moment ebo ndo opilu gbewura wa hindim no ode adwen de abanyama na mre ya adam guy for opedo contestant opedo oji leadership no na ayele ni nyina no ode intertwined debate mu misunderstanding eyinu one group ina eyinu so wenye one group ebehwe na team really so say no affect team na oka supporters ewa so affect team na nkasa na oyede no oka supporters for instance yemfa more example kakrebi those days I appoint myself captain Kumasi Asante Kotoko no in the management in a kind of try but mo twi won adwene CBB do the appoint myself leader dey but me here appointment letter to me declare bia oye there yes oye there wara ma mechana ne but onye the work kind of try me can na medo last nkere when I prepare letter as a professional and pass within a short time what the mam no mu there one mum to me be to me declare bia or chere there misery players no one and more in there this time or there warfare your friend then meeting with the technical team and the management be na you share asida house na what represent Kraten no what the mam as a professional club nti musumin saka Kraten no na muhu there oh wow actually this said they would to me the Kraten bi aye ne production there musum fon ko think the boys no wondo na abazi na betim dey do wondo na survive because that time you know all the players in were matured players today national all the players in they are matured they captainship no you will roll inside the front and the outside the field they are outside no roll they play no say a play the year outsider inside any result. Okay, because football I am going to free the ABR D-Day now na ye 3 points. Yeah, what 3 points you one sebi oba before the match day na nkasa. Ewa mention you what 3 points we bet ma pick Saturday. Points you bet ma Saturday win team by Saturday. And Sunday the club no represent one because I'm Kopaka we bet you 3 points. We already know win ala wa bada dado. Inti akwa represent on na say gina park no yim da kianeke ekuni bia de 3 points ne bafa and ekuni bia do that match Saturday ya you win the match no oh inti meti ma bo sekwa wo prof wo de mamba 2 million yankopon ya adoma Monday me de ba mo e be say e dey then yankopon ya adoma Sunday match ne bu win na means enyim wo confidence there. Yes. I pick the 3 points.
There winning bonus no.
Obaba, kian obed no obaba. Enti ekona ebe for the bed ne able control players no crown no so enyim zi na yansa. Ebo mu there wo ba appoint no. Ebenya frustrations. Some of the players ba tackle. E ma mecha some of the players yede ne nkwani. Ina committee captain bi so a coach bit my appoint captain. Coach shoot my appoint captain. Eruko wini.
Nti say me say wa yes baby me say wa nka Black Stars kwa no oh Asamoah Gyan ono yen captain.
Yeah.
Black Stars. To me criteria exam Asamoah Gyan na ochodo yen captain only for the period of Ebia Nations Cup 2020 day. Another time. Until kita them to me na untumi yi infino de enimia
no entim ewu ma mecha na ewu de ekona wo fodo nye nyina ma yete ewu ma mecha na yereka de oduru bebi a na wo se asam ewu kwisa pia ye azibia menyim show ye one a lot of the people lite at the same time won so wo nyimzi wo football mu so wo lite show ba oya azibia na mentase na atina mentase so da enyim de prof coach bi betima ye number 1 number 2 number 3 Nkumsa number 4 Joe Hendricks number 5 Professor Kuntu Brands oya no squad nyina awia na odisi odashe Kuntu Brands ne din no ho ana ne kwisi na odisi na say my captain of the day ye ne kwisi o depend kind of match no mama karata za o depend match no there bia ye fa na ye kwatamale na wo net et hausa kasa e wo mecha na nti o dey yeti yes to dey get no why you say the captain of the day ye shira alasa no the e wo mecha nti o captain no
be that was the time we so can e ko nuta kwa da ko match me kai team bi da ma nti nuta kwa so no hosu na me fi asinti ye kwa na coach na coach ni kind of coach mpo aka baby or no of you kuma yeah the guy was the friend of team the guy was of friend of team to your job kaka wait
always feel
no feel play Bonson that time and Milan Stars Bonson na Kaka no two things you know
Uncle Smarter.
Yes man, smarter is yes smarter. Into your Kaka with sitting granting the flesh on the profit you didn't take one, you didn't take one. And coach can you have a new takradi. Over selection in no. Also, you have a new takradi. You have a new takradi, and new takradi, continue chromo, and continue fintine. In the match, you're Kobana, you're the captain as I'm a kuntu, the captain for the day. Nature in the match, and continue or captain. As I said, and was the captain, was the mom, and I'm a captain that match with new takradi because of honor me fee. Honor me fee. Anything I was the captain was the mom. Only me captain. Because what the too many man, the too many. Only that was the American I bet the player not on your born one. Tell me, Hamburg, the match, no one be there. Anthony Buade, or Germany, or we go over matches or Frankfurt, and for captaining at and farmers only the captain of German football, yeah, and or two more what happened there. The team technically to be in a we are prepared.
Go back to the captain of the team,
them not fun captain for the day until them and Joe new
into your what the man's in the show into time na your book AFCON enjoy there your friend then as a no general captain you general captain you go Egypt general captain still general captain na general captain who play role say in real or yankopon penesu ya the general captain who play role na moya ayo yin there nje ni kwesa pempo nje ndo appoint or tunenu tu dey no yenko because nipa no say wa fokuko resign okoba wa retire anambwa come on to because in the first 11 no asamoja any opportunity in see akan anambwa yes inti ato first 11 na nyimpo no nim na nyimpo nnim a embo band wo your friend and bench nyimpa no be de no obobo mama kana ata na aya na mo ya ro ho so yin wa onam there one respect captain ti Ghana yan respect captain one captain so your general captain na so ombobi no owo bench mpo a so olu play no role wo camper nchon ya na yawo ehun mechana but ebo hwe na wo mo on play role no wo camp ehun abedin role e bia capito ebo hwe na bibia anya na wa captain bre a program of the week then program of the week no or do kwasam wa jan ho ono ye general captain na general captain on hand over odu mededa you dey bia ma bre into general announce my boys mama kana tata but say the program of the week edi mededa you are why they did it say o me you be ebo hwe na nimpo not one only di yem there after all mankasa mbobi ehun so leadership no so role bia me play my young ones na mu there me leader of the team no ehun chana no so wo ma me yede na wo ma me play ehun chana chire igbo wo fro ni bu won yede na won fama into ono no oye general captain na Kalilu Dramani oye general captain Kumasi Asante Kotoko what kind of general captain chire oye general captain na e wo captain na e wo na assistant ehun chana but bibianya odo offer general captain no do yes ehun into ono so no ensan in captain abra make simple no say example terminate na captainship contract na or there send writing letter yes say you oye dwum inyamenyeme bi na da nti otim table otim do court